For this solar light DIY, I bought a mirror from the Dollar Tree. It's actually a pretty nice size, and it's got like a white distressed frame, which I love. And I thought this would be really fun to make into a solar light that's going to be a shelf. Now, it's something that you could hang on the wall. If you're going to hang it outdoors, though, the back is not made out of solid wood, so you might have to replace the back and maybe glue the mirror in. I'm gonna make mine like a standing shelf though, and I'm gonna do it with these little wood pallets from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna glue two of them together side by side, and that should be the perfect width for this mirror. And I thought this would make a perfect little shelf to put little plants on, and we can use a solar light to light them up. So I wanted to kind of match the mirror. It's a distressed white, so I just went over both the palettes with white, just one coat, so maybe some of the wood will show through and give it that distressed look like the mirror. And this way can stand up on its own. You can sit it on a table. Again, you could hang it. It does have a hanger on the back of that mirror, but I was really impressed with the size of the mirror. To attach it, I just use some hot glue here and attach it to the frame like this. So that helps it to stand up, and you get a little view of my filming station there as well. And I'm just going to reinforce it with a little bit more hot glue here on the bottom just to make sure that stays on there. Now my plan is to hang a solar light on there. I found this solar light from the Dollar Tree, which is kind of a unique design for the solar light. I thought this would be perfect for this because it's flat on one side, so I can put that side against the mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the pole on it, but not the stake. And so it can sit on the mirror like this. And the light will reflect off the plants and the mirror. So I think that would be really fun. To hold it, I'm going to use some of the little wood rings from the Dollar Tree. You can use whatever you have that's round. I liked the size of these. They're not too big compared to like the shower rings and stuff like that. So I'm just going to paint these white as well. They are wood. And then I can attach those to the little windowsill there. I thought two would probably be better for outside. And they can be just a little holder here where I can actually change out the solar light if I need to. I'm going to put a little hot glue on here, and I'm going to glue it like right on top of the little sill there. So it's glued to the mirror and to the sill. Doesn't have to be super strong. It's just going to be holding it in place just like that. So two of them, and that is what it looks like so far. Now for the solar light, we can just slide that right in. Let's go ahead and get started on the plants. I picked up some terra Potted plants from the Dollar Tree. Be careful when you buy these because I've had this happen a million times where some of them have been broken, but I have two that are good. And I'm just going to fill them up with a little bit of Spanish moss. And I'm just going to do something really easy with these two. I'm just going to do some Dollar Tree succulents. This one is a newer one that I haven't used, so it has a stem on it. My other one doesn't, but I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue it onto the Spanish moss anyway. I think it'll work. Just trying to trim this one down a little bit and attach that. This is going to go on my back porch, so it doesn't really have to be too resistant to weather. And then I'm just going to hot glue this down into this pot. And for the third plant, I just found this cute little house plant at the dollar spot at Target, and I thought that would be a cute addition as well to our little solar light shelf. So I can style it for you. And you can always use real plants for this as well if you've got a green thumb. I'm just going to place my little pots here on here, and all I have to do is add the solar light. Mine wanted to turn a lot, so I added a little hot glue just to keep that in place. And I'm just going to slide that into the rings that we attached to the mirror. And this DIY is ready to go. It looks really pretty during the daytime, which I love. And it looks really nice at night as well. So let me show you how it turned out. This is it during the daytime. Isn't that mirror so cute? I was really impressed with the size of it for $1.25. I think it's so nice during the day, but look how pretty it looks during the nighttime. It's exactly what I was thinking, where it not only lights up the plants, it also lights up the reflection in the mirror, which gives you a really fun vibe.